question came in from Georgia. I got a question about growing asparagus. Is it best to grow it in a container? I have heard that it can spread all over the place. Just to keep it confined if I grow it in a container. What are your thoughts? What is best? So you want to grow it in the ground, first of all, asparagus. Asparagus, if grown in the ground, it can last over 20 to 50 years.
Right, yeah. You don't want to grow it in a container.
Would
it even work in a container?
Well, if you've got you can start it from a seed, which takes 5 years to get something to harvest. There's 1 year crowns, 2 year crowns, and I think that you may be able to find 3 year crowns. But anyway, 1 and 2 year are very common. You plant those, and you got to wait until about 2 years after it takes about the fourth year really to get something. Mm-hmm. So by the time you feed it and let it grow up, it's going to basically kill itself, because as the plant grows, you're harvesting the asparagus, and then at a certain point you leave it alone and let it grow up, create large fronds with that will absorb the sunlight to feed the roots to make them roots ready to grow again next year. So it is a misconception that asparagus will just take over like raspberry plants. That's not the case. They will be very confined in a small area. They may expand 2 or 3 or 4 inches, but they're not going to tuber under the ground and then pop up over to the other side of the garden like raspberry plants or creeping Charlie or something like that.
Right.
So find a spot that it's not going to be disturbed, plant it, let it grow, and then within year 4, by the time it's 4 years old, you'll have asparagus, and it'll be there. It will outlive you in most cases.